LT4. I got the oil pump off and the pan off. And what I was gonna show y'all real quick is people say this can't be done. I've heard it. As a matter of fact, I heard it today. People say you cannot do dry sump to wet sump. Here's the problem. Here's what they're doing. Leave this. Do not remove this, right? If you remove this and you replace it with a wet sump sprocket and oil pump drive, it's shorter. You can Google it if you want, I don't care. It's shorter. It will not engage the keyway. Leave the LT4 dry sump sprocket and drive, slide your wet sump pump on here and bolt it up and go about your business. And it gets you a muscle car pan, Holly, China, eBay, whatever you want. Put your muscle car pan on and you're done. There's nothing. People are saying you got to replace the cranks. People are saying it can't be. Listen, we've done plenty. They work fine. Leave this. Don't take it off. If somebody tells you this has to be removed, they don't know what they're doing. Go to another shop. Got brand new GM wet sump oil pump, and I'm about to put it on this dry sump gear. I'll show you how it works. It's pretty close. Almost got it. Alright. Spin this gear a little bit. Should be it there. There it is. There it is. Push all the way on. It engages the pump like it's supposed to. Timing gear's fine. Nothing hits. Your O-ring seals back here in the back where it's supposed to. Tighten your bolts down. Torque them with spec. Rock and roll. Oh, come on. There we go. Cool.